Hello, everyone. Thank you for this promotion to Chief Operating Officer. I remember when I first started here at Kia, my goal was to become part of upper management, and today we are here. But it only takes dedication, hard work, experience, and education to be successful here at Kia. Hard work. I remember when I first started, I was working 12, some days 15 hours long to put out a quality vehicle. Dedicated. Through my years here at Kia, I have had many offers from other jobs, other automobile manufacturing companies, but I stayed here to make Kia one of the world's finest automobile industries in the world. Experience. I've been working here at Kia for 20 years, and when you see things, you automatically know what to do. Education. Through my years here at Kia, I have went forth and got my bachelor's degree. I have also did plenty other skills. First of all, I want to thank Almighty God for making this possible. I want to thank my mother, rest her soul, my heaven and earth. I would like to thank Stuart Countess, the outgoing Chief Operating Officer. Without your help, I probably wouldn't be here. I also would like to thank Rodney Parker, my very first team leader. He taught me the standards here at Kia. I would like to thank my production team, all my assistant managers, all my team leaders, group leaders, because without you guys, there would be no Kia. And last but not least, I would like to thank my wife. She's been in with it through thick and thin. Now, as I conclude my speech, as I take over as Chief Operating Officer, I will continue to make Kia a world-class automotive industry, automotive manufacturer. And as I step down, always remember, one system, one team. Thanks. And the future is looking great.